Hello, welcome to Wilson's Barbecue. In this video, I'm going to show you how I like to make these Mexican street corn esquites. So on Instagram and stuff, I always see people like Dane's Craft Barbecue and Hurtado's with these incredible looking sides. And one of them, when I did a little bit of digging with these esquites, it's basically grilled corn in a kind of mayo dressing with some hot sauce on. So I wanted to create them for my own little barbecue pop-up because they look incredible. It turns out they taste incredible too. They're super easy to make, and if you've eaten these and really enjoyed them, you're probably going to be surprised at how easy, quick and simple they are. So this isn't the full list of ingredients. I'll put that down below and you'll see what I use as we go through the video. I'm going to do a bit of a cheats version. So what I would recommend if you really want to go all out on these, so get some corn on the cob, grill them over some fire, over a gas grill, whatever you need to do, get some good char on them. And they're going to be incredible, but I'm just going to use 2 cans of corn for this. So this is a total of about 570 grams of corn. It will make about 4 portions, and then I've got about 1.5 cups of normal mayonnaise. All we need to do is take our 2 cans of corn, and for a little bit of flavour, this is Good Rubs The Heat. I like this because it's got no sugar in it, but it's got a real nice hot flavour. It's got some garlic, salt, all those kind of things, and kind of complements this dish really well. And then we take our 1.5 cups of mayonnaise, give that a bit of a mix. So I pretty much eyeball this. You could use less mayo. You can kind of see, hopefully see the consistency there. You could definitely use less mayo. This is roughly about what I use, maybe a touch less actually, when I'm making it for my little pop-up. I kind of eyeball it, but it's roughly about that. At this point, we're just going to put in about 50 grams of an aged cheese. I'm using parmesan. If you are in the States and can get hold of cotija cheese, that would be what I would prefer to use. We can't get it here in the UK, so we'll just go on with this for now, but definitely use cotija, if I'm pronouncing that right, if you can. So just give it a quick stir, incorporate it, and then let's get it onto the hob. Get it on a low heat and just warm it through. You don't want to cook it too hot and too fast because it will possibly split, and mayonnaise can split. So all you want to do is just warm it through, probably about 10 minutes or so for this little batch. And we'll add a little bit of salt and some pepper as well. A bit of salt, some black pepper, and half the juice of a lime. Bring it up to a nice kind of warm serving temperature. So while that's cooking away, as I say, this is not really a recipe, just a bit of a method. You can do whatever you want with this. You can leave out the lime, you can add more salt, more pepper, different spices, seasonings, different cheese. Do whatever you want with this, but I guarantee you, if you like sweet corn, you'll love this. Right, so that cheese is kind of melted, made this sauce real creamy. We're gonna plate it up and then garnish it. So I normally serve it in these when we do our collection nights. Just for presentation, I've got some of these little side containers, little for pop-ups. So we'll make up like two little dishes, and hopefully they come out looking good. So we've got our corn, our street corn, and I like this kind of amount of creaminess. You might like a lot less. Maybe cut back that mayonnaise a little bit, but this is probably about how I do it when I'm doing a takeaway night. We're going to go in with a nice helping of cheese on top. Then we're going to go for a little bit of that Good Rub, the heat rub again. Then we're going to go with some Valentina's hot sauce. Now this, I personally think, is something that you shouldn't skip on, so let's get this drizzled over. And then you can just garnish with a bit of coriander. And there we go. That's pretty much it. So that Valentina's is something that you should definitely invest in. If you're in the UK, I'll drop a link down below as to where you can get hold of it. It's incredible. So annoyingly, I've just gone to edit this video and the file, the very last file that we had on there where I was eating it and talking about it was corrupted, and now I don't have any more corn, so I can't make it again and show you what it's like and talk about how good it was. But just imagine that I took a bite and it was really good. So I know that these are not authentic, so please don't come at me in the comments. I know they're not authentic, but they are delicious. So Give them a try, let me know if you enjoyed them. Go follow me on Instagram. If you like this video, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, drop me a comment below, it all really helps. And I'll see you in a couple of weeks for another video.